Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Khadija Amicha. I hope you are all doing well. I am back with another tutorial. This time around it's an eyeshadow tutorial. It's like a cut crease and how to apply lashes also from scratch. It's fun guys, so I hope it's not too hard and I hope you find it helpful. Keep watching to see how I achieve the look. Bye. So yau eyeshadow da zamu yi even masani ba. Alright, so I'll start off by priming my lid. I'm using the lightest concealer I have. This is Turaren. I'm just using it as a primer. This is Urban Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is their intense eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with this color first as my transition color. Also eyeshadow shi yana da kyau. In zaki eyeshadow ki building din shi color ba ki ringa layering colors like from the lightest to the darkest to your crease. It doesn't have to be a light color, but any color, any nice color you want as transition, any nice transition color. Kuma kun san ma ku eyeshadow sun ba wai kowanne bane transition color. Warin gwada maku kin ga irin wannan shi yasa nake sa eyeshadow, you can like carry it and use all of it. You don't have to use another eyeshadow. You can use everything here at once. Kin ga kamar wannan, irin haka. They are all transition colors like this. Like this, especially for dark skinned people. And my lighter people need something lighter, but for our skin tone this is perfect. So zan fara kamar yadda nace zan fara da wannan color din na haka. Ita ce zan saka a transition color ina. Kuma na samu blending brush haka. This is like a tapered, yana dan da fadi haka in kika kula haka. Yana dan da fadi, so ina amfani da shi ne dan in samu precision. Ina son saka shi daidai inda nake son eyeshadow ya zauna. Sai kuma ina using wani blending brush ne, ina dan blending crease nan da concealer yayi. Zan fara daura shi haka. Kusan na faɗi muku I want it up here, ba daga cikin crease ina ba. The color is so pigmented. Just one sweep and look how popping it is. Now I'm going to apply a dark brown. I'm still using the same brush. This one has a shiny amfani. So zan saka shi just below wannan color din. Shi ma haka. Kar ki ɗiba eyeshadow da yawa, just ki ɗiba kaɗan kuma you should have excess in kin ɗiba. Like this, sai ki ɗaura. Kar ki je immediately kina ɗaurawa haka, kina kawowa ki fara like blending din shi everywhere. You need to be precise. Ki fara ɗaurawa inda kike son eyeshadow din ya zauna. Then when there is less product on the brush, you can bring it a little bit higher like this to blend out the edges. Nice so far. Then I'm going to buy another one building color because I was also calling that. We'll use this one. This is like a pencil blending brush. Sounds like a one and you blend one hash line in the nike gani. Like this. Masaya yanzu zo da wannan black din in ƙara defining crease, but now I'm going in with this pencil blending brush because I need precision. I need it to be precise. Ina son shi a daidai cikin crease ina ne, just below this color. So bayan na gama sa bakin yanzu zan dauki wannan ɗayan blending brush da na saka first color din nan. Wannan na saka wannan first color din da na fara sawa. Yanzu zan yi blending wannan black din da na saman shi like this. So I'm using a clean blending brush to just blend out the edges of the eyeshadow, just to make sure everything is nice and blended. So after that, I will use the same concealer I primed my lid to cut the crease. In ya taba har sama, so I need to bring it from in there like that. You need to follow like the shape of your eye, like this, not like a C, but nan ya danyi kasa nan kuma yayi sama. Daga ciki na, it needs to go a little bit down, daga nan kuma ya danyi sama haka. I'm just making sure I blended the concealer really well so that when I put the eyeshadow, it will look patchy. And make sure you blend the end of the concealer to where it meets the eyeshadow. Make sure the area is blended. So bayan mun gama cutting creasing yanzu, zan yi saka kaman like 2 to 3 colors. Zan fara da dark color daga nan, then sai saka light colors ta ciki. So zan fara da wannan, zan saka this white on the lid. I'll put this color on. And one thing about using matte eyeshadows, do not drag it or else you won't get a nice color pair. So always pat on the eyeshadow on the lid. Always pat it on. Bayan na gama zan saka wannan color din. Sai in zo da dark brown haka, in yi dark ɗin nan waje before I put the black. Zan ƙara zuwa da wannan ta waje din. I'll use the black. Kaɗan zan saka daidai tip ɗin brush ɗin. Mun gama wannan idan kenan, zan je yi wannan ɗayan off camera sai in dawo. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't show you how to do the eyeliner, but in another video I will show you like from scratch. I didn't do any wing or anything, just line my top lash line and that's it. So we are going to use this lashes today. This is a 3D lash. It's very soft. First thing abin zaki samu, kika dauki lashes ɗinki, you need a glue adhesive, something like this. Then for the lashes, so yanda zaki gane wanne ne na nan wanne ne na nan, zaki dauke su a haka ba kice zaki dauki wannan na nan wannan na nan. You just hold it like this, facing forward like this. So this is for the right eye and this is for the left eye. That's how you know which one is for which. Just take one. This is for the left eye, and we'll try it on and see if it fits perfectly. In yayi yawa, we need to cut it. So zan daura shi haka. Ngani yayi daidai idan. In yayi yawa zaki ga ya fito daga nan wurin baya haka. In yayi daidai idan zaki ga ba zai fito daga nan ƙarshen idan ki ba. So za mu saka lash glue din yanzu. Zan dan matsa kaɗan haka a jiki like this. Sai yanzu in apply din shi haka. Like this. I need more, then I will squeeze a little bit. Then yaji. I didn't put much, but haka ko ina yaji. Sai in ajiye shi, then I'll wait for like 30 seconds. Yayi sai mu daura mu gani. In ya fara zama a bit transparent, lokacin alaman ya zama taki kenan, it's ready to apply. I'll look down. Bayan ya fara bushewa yanzu kun gani. After 30 seconds, it looks like this. I just grab the lashes in the middle like that. Then I'll place it right in the middle of my lid, or on the middle of my lid, whatever, like that, making sure all those curled lashes are out, are straight, and make sure it is not too close to your tear dots area, like that. Idan lashes din ya fara bushewa haka, then you can use your finger to like bind together with your natural lashes with the fake one, like that. Gani? Ni ban iya wannan gayin ba, da wasu zaki ga tafi za su saka lashes. So ni ke ni ban iya ba wallahi. Like this. And bind it together. Like that. Da kin yi haka zaki ji eyelashes din ya daga. Da ya zai dan sako maki haka, ba in kika yi binding din su tare din nan sai kika ya daga. Kina gani sosai. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go dust this powder up, then I'll work some magic. See ya. I applied this powder to catch eyeshadow fallout. So you see, I'm gonna need to fallout in baking eyeshadow and then saka. Now what you need to do is just use your brush and pick it up and dust it up like that. See, amfani shi kenan. If not for that powder, da yanzu wurin yayi dan kala haka baki kenan, but yanzu saboda muna da powder wurin ba zai komai ba. Then we'll dust up this one too. This is the finished look, guys. You see the eyeshadow. I hope you enjoyed this makeup and I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like my video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, I'm going to review these products from DJ's shop, so it's going to be an honest review, guys. Wannan turaren wuta na yi amfani da su na sati da ake nan, sai da na cira man ba zai faɗi ba tukuna, sai na yi amfani da su for 1 week and I will tell you my review. Maganan gaskiya turarukan wutan nan sun haɗu. You need to patronize her. She sent to me a perfume. This is what it looks like. I love the scent. I love it so much. Loving it. So safe. Oh my god, I love it. It scents. Oh, need to try it, guys. Bazan ta haifi maku ba, ku gwada ku gani. Thank you DJs. It lasts all day. I love this perfume. I'm definitely going to buy another one. Definitely. Sai kuma muna da wannan Kulle Charm. This smell amazing. Na sa da safe wallahi kamshi shi yana ya haɗu, da na juya sai in ji kamshi. Ko ya a ɗaki ma inda na ajiye shi tare da wannan ɗin kamshi kawai kake ji. Wow, this is how it looks like. Yeah. Oh my god, it smells amazing. So kuma wannan hand, I put it up by mistake upside down, so sai ya bata saman wannan. Shi wannan sandal shreds ne. Kamshin ya haɗu and it smells heavily. Shin ta gaskiya turarukan wutan ta ba ƙarya. Magana gaskiya kenan ba ƙarya. You guys need to check it out. Sai kuma wannan shi ma ina son shi, har ma ya kusa rabi. Sandal flakes, right? Yeah, sandal flakes. Ni duka gaba ɗaya turaren wutan kai. Kamshi dai bai ƙarewa kamshi. And then we have this Santo Musk. It's amazing too. Ni ban ma taɓa yi irin turaren wutan, ban taɓa sai irin wannan turaren wutan, but it smells amazing. Ya haɗu. This Kulle Charm is the gang. Irin kamshin nan da ke zama kamshin ka. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.